Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. Thank you for being here. Before starting the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Kurnia Rahayu and my last study number is 1039. And I will present about effect of drying temperature on amorphous structure and physical properties of powdered coconut juice with the addition of maltodextrin. Next. The coconut sugar serves an important role as a source of carbohydrate in Indonesia, significantly contributing to the local diet and economy. However, traditional methods of producing coconut sugar can be inefficient. This inefficiency highlights the need for a more practical solution. In response to this, the innovation of powdered coconut sugar increases its practicality and extends its shelf life, making it more marketable. Therefore, the objective of this study was to analyze how different drying temperature affect the quality of coconut shape powder, especially when maltodextrin is added. Next. Okay, the main aim of this research is to determine how various drying temperatures impact the amorphous structure and physical properties of coconut shape powder. Specifically, we will investigate the following key properties: the transition between amorphous and crystalline structures, the hygroscopicity rate or how well the powder absorbs moisture, the dissolution time, which measures how quickly the powder dissolves in water, and the color intensity to analyze the visual appeal of the product. Okay, next, material element thought. For this study, the materials used include coconut shape powder and maltodextrin as a primary ingredients, along with distilled water and various chemicals for testing and preparation process. The tools utilized in the research include a vacuum oven for controlled drying, X-ray diffraction for analyzing structural properties, and a chromometer for measuring color intensity. Okay. We employed a descriptive analysis approach, applying vacuum drying at varying temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius, and 80 degrees Celsius to assess how this condition affect the properties of the powder. Okay, next. Now, let's discuss the result from the X-ray diffraction analysis. We found that higher drying temperatures lead to an increased amorphous structure in the coconut shape powder at 80 degrees Celsius. The amorphous structure was measured at 72.2%, a significant increase compared to just 64.7% at 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, this data indicates a clear trend towards amorphization with increasing temperatures. The accompanying graph shows the transition from crystalline how amorphous structure visually representing our findings. Okay, next we examined the hygroscopicity rate, which increases with drying temperature. This is essential for understanding how the powdered product behaves in different environments. At 80 degrees Celsius, the hygroscopicity rate peaked at 4.4 times 10 power 4 gram of water per gram of dry weight per minute. This highlights the significant impact of temperature on moisture absorption. The graphs here illustrate the hygroscopicity rates at various temperatures for a clearer understanding of these findings. Okay, next. Our result also indicate the higher temperatures correlate with faster dissolution times, which is crucial for customers who expect quick solubility in applications such as beverages. For instance, at 50 degrees Celsius, the recorded dissolution times was 19.09 second, while at 80 degrees Celsius, it decreased to 16.96 second, 19.96 0.96 seconds. This demonstrates the efficiency of the drying process. The comparison chart on this slide provides a clear view of how drying condition affects the solution times. Okay, we are moving on to color intensity. We observe the interesting trends. The lightness value represented as L increases with higher temperatures, suggesting a brighter color which can be appealing to consumers. In terms of A value, which measures redness, we found that lower temperatures result in higher redness due to Maillard reaction during processing. Conversely, the B value indicating yellow the blue intensity showed that yellow intensity decreased with higher temperature. The graphs on this slide illustrate these L, A, and B values across the temperature range, providing a detailed view of how color change with processing condition. Okay, we move to conclusion. In conclusion, this research demonstrates that higher drying temperature are beneficial for creating amorphous structures in coconut shea powder. Increased the temperatures not only lead to faster dissolution time but also result in higher hygroscopicity and more visually appealing color. Furthermore, the addition of maltodextrin positively contributes to the stability and solubility of the final product, making it a valuable ingredient in the production of powdered coconut sugar. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.